In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put text over an image in Mailchimp. If you've ever wanted your image to double as a headline space or a callout, Mailchimp's built-in photo editor makes it simple, and you won't need any external design tools. First, head into your email builder and click on the image content block. This is the block designed specifically for pictures, and it's where the overlay magic happens. When the block opens, add your image by selecting it from your content studio or uploading a new file from your computer. Choose a clear, high-quality image that supports your message. Images with a little empty space often work best for text overlays because your words will be easier to read. Once your image is in place, select that same image block again and click Edit. This opens Mailchimp's built-in photo editor, which is where you'll add and style your text. Give it a second to load. You'll see a set of tools along the left side. Now, click Text in the left pane. A text box will appear on your image. Type your message directly into that box. Think of a short headline, a brief call to action, or a date and time if you're highlighting an event. You can drag the text box to position it exactly where you want it, and use the available controls to adjust font, size, color, and alignment. Aim for strong contrast so your text stands out. For example, use light text on a dark area of the photo or dark text on a light area. If you need more emphasis, consider increasing the font weight or adding a subtle background color to the text box for added legibility. Keep your wording concise and leave a bit of breathing room near the edges of the image so it looks great on both desktop and mobile. You can create a visual hierarchy by making the most important words larger and the supporting text smaller. If you need a second line or a separate phrase, simply add another text box using the same text option and position it to complement the first. When you're happy with how everything looks, click Save at the top right of the photo editor. Mailchimp will apply those changes to your image and return you to the email builder, where you'll see the updated version right in the layout. And that's it. You added your image, opened the editor, placed and styled your text, and saved your changes. With this simple workflow, you can turn any image into a polished graphic that communicates clearly and looks professional.